Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Terrain. This is Lakshmi Narayana, your math teacher. In this session I have come up with a very interesting and very important question. So let's have a look at the question. Here is the question. Solve the equation -4 plus -1 plus 2 plus 5 plus and so on plus x is equals to 437. So in this equation, so left hand side we have a sequence and sum of this sequence is equals to 437, and we have to solve this equation, which means we have to find the value of x. Since it is a sequence, so we have terms. So let us take this is a1, this is a2, this is a3, a4 and so on, this is an, and we have sum, so this is Sn, sum of n terms. So term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 and so on, term n, that is nth term, and sum of n terms, that is 437. Okay, so let's have a look here. Let's find the difference. A2 minus a1, -1 minus of -4 plus 4. So -1 plus 4 is equals to 3. Difference of these two, 2 minus -1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So since d1 is equals to d2, which means common difference is same, so the given sequence is in AP. So AP is equals to -4 plus -1 plus 2 plus 5 plus and so on plus x is equals to 437. So in this sequence we have a first term, that is a, and common difference, that is difference of this, we got 3. So we got a and we got d. Now since we have sum, so let us find sum of n terms by using sum of n terms formula of AP, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let's substitute the values. So this is implies n, we don't know right now, n upon 2 into 2a, a we have -4 plus n minus 1 into d we have 3 is equals to, and whose sum is, we know, that is 437. So further here 2 is dividing, if it comes here multiplies, and further n into 2 into -4 -8, 3 into n 3n, -1 into 3 -3 is equals to 2 into 437. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 4s are 8. So further we simplify, n into 3n, 3n square, -8, -3, -11, -11 into n, -11n. Here 874 positive, if it we bring this into this side, it becomes negative. -874 is equals to 0. Now here we got a quadratic equation. Now we will simplify this quadratic equation to find n. So let us compare this quadratic equation with its general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here, so we got a is equals to 3, b is equals to -11, c is equals to -874. So we will find roots of this quadratic equation, in other words solutions of this quadratic equation by means of quadratic formula. So what is that quadratic formula? That is -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let us substitute the values in it. -b, negative of -11, positive 11, plus or minus square root of b square, -11 square minus 4 into a, that is 3 into c, that is -874 upon 2a, 2 into 3. Okay, we will simplify further. This is equals to 11 plus or minus square root of Negative 11 square 121, negative into negative positive, 11 11s are 121, negative into negative positive, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 874, 10,488 upon 2 3s are 6. So further if we simplify 11 plus or minus square root of, when you sum up this, we'll get 8 plus 1 9, 8 plus 2 10, 0 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6 and 10 upon 6. So further 11 plus or minus square root of 10,609 upon 6. So we have to find square root of 10,609, and square root of 10,609 is 103. So this becomes 11 plus or minus 103 upon 6. But here you need to know, since we are not allowed calculators in the examination as well as in the classrooms, and to find square root of such big numbers, so there is a process. I will just explain, please do follow carefully. So here we have 10,609. So let's take that 10,609. So here it's starting with the 1, then if you take two digits 10, then that is 3 digits 100, 6 and so on. So what we'll do is, let us take 10 square, that is 100, and add one more 0, 100, 100 square, this is 10,000. So and the next number, this is 11, 11 square is 121, add 1 0 to it, so that is 110 square, this becomes 12,100. If you clearly observe, this 10,609 lies between 10,000 and 12,100. So this lies between this and this. So and here you need to know some basic rules, that is this number ends with 9, whose square root ends with either 3 or 7, either 3 or 7. So therefore the only possible numbers are, what are they? 103 or 107. So between these two we have these two possibilities. So square root of this number could be this or this only. And again this number is nearer to 10,000. Please look at carefully. So this number is nearer to 10,000. So therefore our required square root of this number is 103. So this way, so we can find square root of any given number without using what you can say calculator or anything. Clear? So from here, so we got 11 plus or minus 103 upon 6. So if you take positive, if we take positive, and this becomes means n becomes 11 plus 103 upon 6, and further this becomes 3 plus 1 4, is 114 upon 6, and when you divide this you'll get 6 1s are 6, 1s are 6, 9s are, so 19. Therefore n is equals to 19. Here we got n value, that is 19. For example, if we take negative, if it is negative, since this is plus or minus, so if we take negative, so this becomes 11 minus 103 upon 6, and this becomes negative 92 upon 6. So we got negative. What is this? N is equals to, and what is n? N is number of terms, right? So number of terms cannot be negative, so this is out of the way. So n cannot be negative, since n can't be negative, so this won't be n value. Therefore our required n value is equals to 19. So therefore in this sequence, how many terms are there? There are 19 terms. So by using n, now we'll find x. Therefore x is equals to an is equals to, by using nth term formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So by using this formula, so we'll substitute the values here. So a is negative 4 plus n we got 19 minus 1 and d we have 3. So negative 4, 19 minus 1, 18, 18 3s are 54 plus 54 negative 4, this becomes 50. Therefore x is equals to 50. So which means our required x value is 15. Therefore the solution for the given equation is x is equals to 15. This is it. So please follow our channel and please subscribe and keep learning. All the best. Thank you.